The opening object can be placed on both the horizontal and vertical enclosures as well as on ornamental wall entities. To draw an opening, first select it as an architectural object from the drawing menu. A simple click on the building envelope entity sets its initial position. We can then move it to determine the correct position, in fact moving along the axis, noticing how the various distances and measurements are updated automatically. So once the correct position is identified, a second click fixes it into position. Once the insert process is completed, the command is still active, so we can continue to insert other openings too in the very same way. The opening's position can also be defined from the keyboard by manually inputting the upper right distance. But even after insertion, we can still select the measurement to edit and enter a new value. As you can see, the opening is now repositioned dynamically.